Are you looking to access pixel effects with your Ape remote? Well, we're going to show you how to do it right now. How you doing, everybody? Justin Schwartz here on behalf of Ape Labs, and yes, today we are going to show you how to access your pixel effects using the Ape remote. Before we dive into it, make sure you're checking out Ape Labs at apelabs.com. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Always happy to answer questions, and consider subscribing. We'd love to see you back here again. So yes, we are going to go over how to access pixel effects today. If you're out there using your Ape Labs products and you love the remote and you just picked up maybe a Neon Pix or a Marvel Flood or a Marvel Spot, you might not be sure how to do it. So we're going to show you how to do it now. Now we're going to show you how to access pixel movement with the Ape remote. So remember that star button right here I showed you earlier? Well, that's what you're going to use to access this. And it's a little tricky here, so stay with me. But you're going to hold the star button down. You're then going to hit increase in intensity. Then very quickly, you're going to have to hit the speed increment up. Once you hit the speed increment up, you can start to change the speed. And then what it's doing now, it's put you into pixel movement number 1. If you want to get to 2, 3, or 4, you just hit the star and up again. Star and up again. Star and up again. That gives me 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if I want to reverse that, I just do it the opposite way. Star and down. Star and down. Star and down, star and down, and now I'm back into regular static mode, and if I lower that speed, it goes back to where it was. And that is how you access pixel movement from your Ape remote. All right, everybody, so that's the Ape remote. We really hope if you're accessing pixel mapping that you understand how to do that now. We want to thank you so much for watching this video. As usual, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Always happy to answer questions that you may have. Consider subscribing. We'd love to see you back here again. And of course, check out Ape Labs at apelabs.com. We'll see you on the next one, everyone. And as I always like to say, Auf Wiedersehen, everyone. Bye-bye.